In this particular video, we are going to learn about AWS CLI. The first thing that you do is you search for AWS CLI online, and it will get you to the download page. For your platform, you install the installable. For Windows, it's a MSI. So I have already downloaded and installed this MSI. Now, the way you run this CLI, you just run the AWS command. Okay. Now, to use the AWS CLI, what you need to do is you need to first go to your AWS management console, and from the management console you go to the security credentials, and from the security credentials you need to first get your access key. Okay, so the access key has two parts. It has access key and it has a secret access key. Okay, so with the AWS CLI, the first thing that you need to do is you need to configure it. So you just run AWS configure, right? And you need to provide the access key. So I just copied it and pasted it here. Okay, the secret access key is like a password, that's why it's not shown here, but you can copy and paste it. For rest of the arguments, I'll just leave them default. That should be fine, right? So for this particular video, what I have done is I have created some objects in my S3. So I can run the AWS against S3. You can run it with all AWS services, pretty elaborate, right? Now, when I run the ls command against S3, it will show me the top level bucket, right? So since I'm an authenticated user, I will be able to see all the objects in my all AWS services, right? So in S3, if I go, I'll see the bucket, right? Now, I can also list the bucket, right? So I can see only the content of that bucket. So as you can see, I have a file there, right? So when I do a ls, I should be able to see that file, right, which is a JPEG file. I can also run a listing on a file. Not only I can do that, but what I'll do is I want to say check this file. So there is a AWS CLI S3 command cp, right, which copies the file. So I will copy this file locally to take a look at it. With the authenticated user, it's getting access to that file and it's able to copy it locally on my machine to take a look at it. Okay, and I'll just check, and boom, this is a file that I had uploaded, so it's correct. Okay, so if you like the video, please click the like button, subscribe to my channel, and good luck exploring a lot of AWS services. Bye.